Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures for your earbuds HUAWEI Freebuds 7i. And first let's get started with the charging case. At the right side we have the button to enter pairing mode. You need to press and hold it, or to perform the factory reset you need to put your earbuds to the charging case, don't close the case, and press and hold this connectional button. And then you need to reconnect these earbuds with your phone. If you still don't know how to perform factory reset, at this channel we have a video about it, so you can check it. Then we have touch areas at the back side of each earbud, right here at the back side, so you can double press, triple press, press and hold, or swipe. Slide up to increase the volume and slide down to lower the volume on both earbuds. And let's check it. Also, firstly I will show you what gestures we have by default, and then I will show you how to customize gestures. So let me wear them and play some song. If you double press at your left or right earbud, by default you will play or pause the song. 1, 2, I just pause it, 1, 2, and I play the song. I mean, I should, so let's check again. I pause it, and I play it. Yes, it works. Also, if somebody called to you, you can, with double press, answer the call. Then we have triple press, and by default, for triple press, we can play next track using the left or right earbud. 1, 2, 3, and I just play next track. Then we have press and hold, but first let me show you with slides. So as I said, slide up to increase the volume, and look at this widget, I increase it, and slide down to lower the volume. Excellent. And then we have press and hold. So we have ambient sound control, and we can switch between ambient sound control with the press and hold at your left or right earbud. So press and hold. I switch to the transparency mode, press and hold again. We have ANC, and the last time we return to the normal mode. Okay, how to customize it? So you need to open or HUAWEI AI Life application or HUAWEI Connect. This application available for the iPhone, but maybe in the future they add it also in the app gallery, and you can install it for your Android device. Open for it. If you use AI Life, you need to tap at your earbuds at the device list, and it will open for you headphones menu. In HUAWEI Connect, it will already open for you headphones menu. Now you need to scroll down. And if you use HUAWEI Connect, under the spatial audio, you will have gesture control. The same icon, the same text, click on it. And on the AI Life you need to scroll down, and at the right side we have it. As I said, we have play pause by default for double press. You can click at the left or right earbud and change it to something else. Let's say to wake voice assistant. Then we have triple press, and for the triple press I prefer to set to play previous track for the left earbud, and for the right use to play next track. Then we have press and hold, and right here I want to add for the right earbud to wake voice assistant, and swipe we cannot change it. So now let's check it. Firstly let's check press and hold. I'm going to press and hold my right earbud, and I should call the Siri. Yes, I call it. I have iPhone, so I call the Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant, or maybe you set up Gemini, you will call Gemini, or maybe you have Samsung, you will call Bixby. It depends. And also let's check triple press for the left earbud. So again, let's play some song. 1, 2, 3, and I just play previous track. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!